Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It is, and of course, now I start recording a video and then the lawnmower guy comes by. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Thursday. I am on my walk, and I figure I would record a video here. Let me see if I can flip it around for a second. So here I am, because I'm doing this for TikTok. This is a community park where I live near. And of course, this is kind of a cool bridge. And I'm obviously making a lot of noise. And I'm approaching the high school field where my son played baseball. And it's a beautiful area. There it is. He had many great moments here. And I really like the town that I live in. So, all right, so back to regularly scheduled programming. There we go. Okay, so I wanted to do this video. We're doing a 7-day challenge that starts this weekend, right? Tomorrow's Friday. And what it involves is this is for folks that have been potentially interested in joining our trading community, have been watching me for a long time, just haven't taken that first step. So we have a 7-day challenge. I have five spots available. And what it is you come in join our trading community this weekend, and we get you set up with a demo account, etc. And then you're ready to trade on Monday, whatever session you like to trade, and you focus on one of the 3 entry models that we have with the Sniper Pro. That's it. At the end of the week, we talk and say, hey, Jeff, this is amazing, which a high percentage of folks will usually say. Or, Jeff, doesn't work for me, doesn't vibe. We give you your money back, and we part as friends. But you get access to the Sniper Pro. You get access to our training. You get access to our Discord community, our private Facebook group. Obviously, for folks that know me, anytime you've got a question, you reach me. Doesn't matter. We're a global team, so I have folks on my personal team from everywhere. Australia, the UK, doesn't matter. So if you've got a question during the week, Jeff, I got a question, you just reach me. And other than when I'm sleeping, you get a reply instantly. And that's the support I provided for our trading community almost 9 years. So it's kind of a cool idea. It's a 7-day challenge. You come in, you join us, and you test drive the entry models, the Sniper Pro, see if it's a fit for you. And if it is, you just continue on your way. And if you do, when you renew your second month, we're going to give you a $50 rebate back. How about that? You can't beat that. So send me a message, drop me a line. I'm going to finish my walk here before I'm out of breath. And let's get you going, all right? Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.